The G terminal typically controls the blower fan speed needed during heating to maintain proper airflow. When the thermostat energizes the G terminal during heating mode, it calls for the furnace blower to run at the speed set for heating, so the system achieves the correct temperature rise and distribution. Start by confirming the furnace wiring diagram to identify which fan speed tap on the blower motor corresponds to the heating function. If your blower motor has multiple speed taps, labeled high, medium, low, and a common, you will usually see the heating tap tied to a medium or low speed rather than the high speed used for cooling. Measure airflow and temperature rise with a thermometer at the supply and return vents, and compare the change to the manufacturer's specified temperature rise to verify the chosen speed is correct. If the measured rise is too low, increase the fan speed or reduce airflow restrictions, such as a dirty filter or closed vents to raise the temperature rise. If the rise is too high, reduce the fan speed or add airflow capacity by cleaning ducts to prevent overheating and short cycling. 3 common mistakes are assuming the G terminal always uses the same speed across different furnaces, which can cause incorrect temperature rise. Check the specific unit wiring diagram and adjust the speed tap accordingly. Another issue is using the high fan speed for heating because it feels like faster heat delivery is better. That usually reduces temperature rise and can make the furnace run inefficiently, so switch to the manufacturer recommended medium or low heating tap. A third problem is failing to verify airflow after wiring changes, which can hide restrictions or improper balance. Measure supply and return temperatures and inspect filters, ducts, and vents, then retest and tweak the speed until the temperature rise and airflow match specifications. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare experience and reviews related to heating and airflow work. We also help contractors find work and join a discussion community on our site where we exchange practical wiring tips, troubleshooting steps, and best practices.